There you are, my lovelies. Yesterday we did gruntled. Today we will do disgruntled. It's an adjective, advanced vocabulary, of course. I'll help you pronounce it. So, let's pronounce. It's got 3 syllables, guys. Pretty easy. Disgruntled. Well, the old might be a little complicated. You kind of put your tongue on the roof of your mouth, like that. Disgruntled. Disgruntled. It means, guys, you're unhappy about something or someone. You can be angry or you can be dissatisfied. You can even be disappointed about something. But here on this channel, no one is disgruntled. Well, we may be once in a while. So let me give you an example sentence, my lovelies. Everyone at the meeting sat with a disgruntled face. Surely not. You know, sometimes we go to meetings and they're not very interesting. We kind of look mad at things when they say something to us that doesn't sound very pleasant. That's when you wear a disgruntled face, kind of like, wear a frown or and you don't like it, you're kind of unhappy about it, dissatisfied and all that malarkey. Example 2. The employees were disgruntled at the new pay scales. Well, who wouldn't be? If you get paid a little less or you don't get paid enough, you may be disgruntled. All right, my lovelies, don't be disgruntled today. Or if you do, do it with a jolly demeanour. All right, my lovelies, I'll see you next time with some more advanced vocabulary. Bye.